here is my iPhone 11 Pro. You see, this is Tiger. That's my Tiger, yeah? I've been waiting for long. It's just delivered today. You see how it looks it? It's just big eyes look at me. Oh, this is mine, yeah? Look at this. I'm gonna open it now today, yeah? So, that's the midnight green color. You can see that? It looks very nice, yeah? iPhone, okay? So you see this is 64 GB, yeah? Everything is here. You see the backside IMEI number and everything, all details in the Apple. So I'm gonna just open it now. You can see that I'm opening my Tiger. Just look at me, yeah? Here is my iPhone 11 Pro, yeah. Yeah, buddy. Open it, yes. Wow. Wow. You see the color? It's very nice, you know, there's Apple sign in the middle, and you got the 3 camera, which is, you see the, I believe, I don't know the how many megapixel cameras, but I have to check. But still, I can show you the phone. You see the phone? Wow, very light and thin. Like, you know, if you compare to the, I think it's very similar. It's like 5.8. It's very easy to carry, I believe. Honestly speaking, it's very easy to carry and very comfortable on your hand, yeah? So that's the phone. Wow, wow, it's very nice, man. So this is the stuff is coming with the phone. Here is the welcome things, like, you know, the what is written here. Let me check for you. Wow, it's got Face ID, side button, press twice to active Apple Play, press and hold to turn on iPhone active Siri. Oh, tips, check out the tips apps. Okay, that's good. You see that's the welcome pack, and here is the pin to put the SIM on. That's the things. Wow, that's good. Wow, here is the iPhone logo. You can, if you want, you can put it backside, or you can put it on the cover. That's the, here is too. Oh, nothing much. So I'll put it back. Let me, wow, it's not going. Okay, that's fine. So this is the original headphone, and actually it's got, let me open it for you. That's the original headphone. Looks very nice, very new. Like as usual, you know, I believe the things quality will be much better than the other iPhone headphones. Let me close it again. Okay, so where is the charger? This is very different, very different. If you open it, let me open it for you, yeah? So this is square. I believe previous one was the was triangle. So this is very, wow, it's nice, man. Wow, you can, if you want, you can close it anytime. It's not gonna take your space. If you want, you can open it easily. Just pull it up. That's it. Wow, very nice. And here is the cable. You see this cable. You can just take it off this wire. Let me take it off and take it off this one. The cover. That's it. That's it. So that's the wire. I believe it 3 meter. Just what you need to do, you just plug in with this very small. That's it. You are ready with this, with the plug to charge. I believe it takes 30 minutes to charge 50% of your phone. So it's very nice. And the headphone. So if you need any kind of details, like, you know, this phone, this phone I recommended by all of my friends. And I have checked lots of, I've checked this compared with this 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. So this is very good. Like 11 Pro Max is bit bigger, 6.5. Bit difference with the cameras as well. Resolution is bit good as well. So after comparing with all phones, I found it this is the much better than the other phones, and the quality and everything is good. And if you the camera is very good as well. 3 camera, and front camera is 12 megapixel. So after all, after I saw one of my friend using this phone, and I found it the clear video, like video quality is like using DSLR camera. So after that, I decided I'm going to go for the 11 Pro, and the color. I'm just when I'm decided to take the 11 Pro, and the color midnight green, it's attract me a lot because it looks like cool color and cool and soft color. Like when I see this color, like it's something giving to my eyes like peace. So that's the things. So I believe I will enjoy my phone. Now I'm going to fix it. I'm going to start using it. So that's it. And I recommended this phone. If you want to buy, go for